Hello our viewers, welcome to Megwa Vet Uganda YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, thanks for always following us. It's me, Sarah Abalo, as usual. In this video, I want us to discuss something about a breed of birds called Kuroilers. We are still so much into poultry because poultry is one of the most lucrative income generating practice that a lot of people are practicing right now. In every household, even if they're not keeping for commercial purpose, at least you'll get some 2-3 local birds there for just home consumption. That makes poultry a very good topic that I always love to discuss with you, our viewers. However, we have other things like piggery that we shall be discussing, but still we are focusing on poultry. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to consider subscribing, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Please click the bell button so that you get notified in every post we make. Today we have come to check on one of our farmers here at Kakoge. Kakoge is found here in Lira City. He's one of our clients, and we supplied him Kuroiler birds when they were 1 day old, and we have followed him to check on how his birds are doing and how he's managing to keep them. But we're happy they're doing well. He's always going to the shop, getting drugs and following all the vaccinations, and the birds are really perfect. Today they are 3 weeks. They're about to make 1 month, but if you look at the birds, they look like they're even more than 1 month, and that's wow. Yes, Mr. Elisa, you're welcome.
Yes, my name is Mukasa Elisa. Thank you for watching.
So, which breed are you keeping, Mr. Elisa?
Kuroiler.
Kuroilers. Why have you chosen Kuroilers over the layers, the broilers, other breeds?
If we compare Kuroiler with the broilers, I discovered that this one, once you are keeping this one, is the same as you are keeping local. And this one is if you are selling this one, is expensive than the broiler, because this one now is 3 weeks. But I'm selling. I say 3 weeks you are getting money. Whereby broiler you keep like for 1.5 month, and you sell at the same price. For which broiler they eat more than this one, and they need much care than this one. So we are choosing this one because they need less care, so and once you are selling, it's expensive than the other one. That's why I want this one.
So, as I can see, your farm is still small. What do you plan? Do you plan to adjust to increase the size of your farm, or you just want to keep this size you're keeping?
Obviously, I'm planning, because as you know, starting something is not easy. But now I know what it will do. Since I was trying, I was learning, I was training. But now I'm trained, I'm expert, even I can teach. So I'm expanding my place next month.
So in that learning process, when you were just starting, did you get some challenges, or you were just perfect?
Some challenges are there, but you cannot get challenged as you people you are checking on us. Because
every time you're getting drugs from there, that is it.
I come and I tell you how you ask me how is the birds. I tell you, they are like this.
But I'm happy they're really doing so fine. They're very healthy, and you're really selling them.
I'm really selling now 3 weeks.
Yeah, you were supposed to sell them at 1 month, but since they have grown so big, they look like they even made 1 month, and it's really selling them.
Due to your advice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So can you give our viewers your number so that when they're interested, they can contact you direct?
My number is 0771 05 9756. That is again 0771 05 9756. My Airtel is 0759 18 7310.
Thank you. Kuroilers are genetically improved hybrids of chickens that was bred by some group of farmers in India, and it was introduced to Uganda and other countries. Now, most of the farmers, not only in Uganda, I could say worldwide, got so much in love with Kuroilers, just like you heard from our farmer here testifying the benefits of poultry, of Kuroilers, I mean. So I want us to see some of the features or advantages that makes Kuroilers better than other birds, or that makes a lot of people prefer Kuroilers. One, as he mentioned it, he talked about resistance. Unlike other exotic breeds of birds, to mention them like the layers and the rest, they are very weak when it comes to disease. But Kuroilers can really be resistant. They don't die so fast like those other breeds. So that really makes farmers to really love it. Secondly, Kuroilers can really adapt to the environment. Actually, they can be reared in free range or semi-free range. Like, they don't need a very special care as in other birds. Like, you can bring them and you just put them outside. They can even look for their food. Kuroilers also, they are good scavengers. They can look for food, they can just go inside for food, and that really makes the cost of feeding them not to be too high. And also, Kuroilers are dual purpose. Dual purpose here, I mean they are egg producers and they also sold for meat. They can, at 4 months, provided you're feeding them well, at 4 months they can be ready for sale, they can be ready for slaughter. But if you're keeping them for eggs, you have to extend, like they have to reach like 5 months to start laying. And also Kuroiler birds, when they start laying, they can lay, like per year they can lay up to 150 eggs. That really makes Kuroilers very good, because as you can choose to sell them at 1 month, you can choose to sell them at when they're 4 months, they're ready for slaughter, and you can sell them when they are, you can sell the eggs as well, and after they finish laying, you sell them off. Kuroilers also, they grow very fast and very big. Like when they're now ready for sale, they can weigh some good kilograms, and that really makes it, the market and the demand for it to be very high. So it's really very good to keep Kuroiler birds, because as a farmer you will start getting money so fast, because they will grow very fast. And also Kuroiler birds, they feed, they actually eat a lot, and that makes them to convert the feeds into meat very fast, and that's amazing. They really can be very big compared to other birds. Kuroilers are also able to take cover. They can run away from predators. They are actually like the local indigenous breeds that we rear at home. So, however, as a farmer, you also need to know this. We have few challenges with the Kuroilers. Number one is they are heavy feeders. That's, like I mentioned it, that heavy feeding makes them to grow very fast and very big. Secondly, Kuroilers are very bad brooders. They don't sit on their eggs. So as a farmer, you have to bear to that cost of purchasing the incubators, because they don't really want to brood. That is one of the those are the few challenges with kuroiler birds. Okay, our viewers, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your time. Thanks for loving our channel. We are here for you and you're also here for us. So we ask for your comments in the comment sections, and we're here to always try our best to reply. Thank you so much. Catch you again in the next video. Bye.